Countries surrounding the United States are applying pressure over cannabis. Canada has legalized recreational marijuana, and Mexico isn't far behind, with both countries putting pressure on America to get its house in order. Canada legalized recreational marijuana in 2018 across all provinces. Mexico has also followed suit with plans to completely legalize marijuana by the end of 2019.
Prohibition has ended right now. We just made history.
Currently, there are 11 states in legalized recreational marijuana in the United States, with over 30 states offering some form of medical marijuana use. All this while marijuana is still classified as a Schedule I narcotic at a federal level.
Now that weed is legal, I don't have to feel the...
Legalization!
I don't know the word, but it's not a negative thing anymore, which it shouldn't be.
Over the last decade, the war on drugs has had a massive change of direction with countries around the world, softening their stance on marijuana. Canada is moving forward with their marijuana legalization policy, with marijuana edibles being set to be legalized in December 2019. There is also the odd fact that over half the states in the U.S. which have chosen to legalize marijuana share a border with either Mexico or Canada. Decades ago, it was the United States which was putting pressure on other countries to criminalize marijuana and force the war on drugs. Now the situation has swung back into the opposite position. Large pharmaceutical companies are also putting increasing pressure on the federal government to legalize an industry that is expected to grow over $25 billion within the next few years. They want the security of federal financial legalization before they make the next steps and even larger financial investments, which they have already planned. Currently, companies involved in the marijuana industry across the United States face a myriad of challenges regarding banking and taxation due to the federal ban on marijuana and the disconnect between state and federal laws. Federal legalization and the streamlining of marijuana laws would have a large impact on the businesses already operating in multiple states and countries across North America. Whatever happens, the future of marijuana in North America is definitely looking greener.